For centuries, humans have dreamt of creating intelligent machines. This fascination is evident in our mythology and literature. Ancient Greeks told tales of automatons, beings crafted from metal and given life. Mary Shelley's Frankenstein explored the ethical dilemmas of creating artificial life. These stories, though fictional, planted the seeds for what would become the field of artificial intelligence. Science fiction further fueled our imaginations. Movies like Metropolis in 2001, A Space Odyssey depicted robots with advanced cognitive abilities. These works of fiction explored the potential benefits and dangers of artificial intelligence. They asked profound questions about the nature of consciousness and our relationship with technology. Little did we know these fictional musings would soon inspire real-world scientific exploration. The formal exploration of artificial intelligence began in the mid-20th century. A pivotal moment arrived in 1956 with the Dartmouth Conference. This gathering of brilliant minds, including John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky, marked the official birth of AI as a scientific field. They dared to ask, can machines think? Thus began a journey to create machines capable of learning, reasoning, and problem-solving. Early pioneers like Alan Turing laid the groundwork for this new field. Turing's work on computation and his famous Turing test provided a framework for defining and measuring machine intelligence. The early years of AI were filled with both excitement and challenges. Researchers made significant strides in areas like symbolic reasoning and game playing. However, they also encountered limitations in computing power and data availability, hindering progress. The journey of AI has been marked by periods of both rapid progress and frustrating stagnation. One notable triumph came in 1997 when IBM's Deep Blue defeated chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov. This victory demonstrated the growing power of AI and captured the world's attention. However, challenges remained. AI systems struggle to replicate the nuances of human language, perception, and common-sense reasoning. The AI winter of the 1970s and 1980s saw a decline in funding and interest as researchers grappled with these limitations, but the pursuit of artificial intelligence never truly ceased. Advances in computing power, coupled with new approaches like machine learning, breathed new life into the field. The 21st century has witnessed an explosion of AI advancements. Machine learning algorithms, fueled by massive data sets, have enabled breakthroughs in areas like image recognition, natural language processing, and robotics. Today, AI powers many of the technologies we use daily. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa understand our spoken commands. Recommendation algorithms personalize our online experiences. Self-driving cars are no longer science fiction, but a tangible reality on our roads. AI is revolutionizing industries from healthcare to finance, automating tasks and providing insights that were once unimaginable. As AI becomes increasingly integrated into our lives, it raises profound ethical considerations. We must grapple with issues of bias in algorithms, job displacement, and the potential for misuse.